Hi, my name is PK. I'm co-founder and CEO of Balance Grille, and I use Uber Eats to grow my business. Balance is all about clean eating. We're a fast casual Asian fusion eatery. Our core menu is bowls, salads, or tacos. So it's all very simple, so you know exactly what it is you're putting in your body. I think there's two things that Uber Eats unlocks for us. The first one is access to a delivery-only customer base. There are groups of customers, they are only gonna order food that they could have delivered. And if we don't fit that niche, then we lose that opportunity. And at the same time, we're getting access to a lot of brand recognition. With Uber Eats, we get the brand exposure, but we also have the opportunity to have customers taste our product. And in the food business, that's so critically important. We know once they try it, they're gonna love it, they're gonna be hooked, but it's just about getting in front of people. And because we don't offer delivery in-house, getting access to a delivery customer base so we can get some brand recognition is an amazing way to market our product.